Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see the difference between MAX, MAXA and MAXX functions in Power BI. So, MAXX function is used in two ways when we need to compare two expressions or within a column to find out the largest number. So whenever you are not giving any expression value, if we are maintaining a blank space, it is treated as zero. And this max function will work with only numbers and text. And true or false values are not supported. Max A function is only with respect to a column to find out the largest value in that specific column. And it can return numbers and dates. So whenever you need to work with text, you need to go for max or maxx. And this is not supported in the direct query mode and it true or false is supported in this maxA function. And maxxx function will have three parameters, the table and expression and a variant. If you mention the variant, it will consider as order by decreasing, and it is not supported true and false. And even here, numbers, text and dates, all three data types has been supported. And especially the main difference is maxx function can evaluate an expression across the row or each row and gets the highest value, whereas maxa and max are with respect to the column. Okay, now let me share my Power BI screen. I have loaded the dim customer table from AdventureWorks. Now we know that there are some columns like commute distance, customer date of birth, and so I may be interested to know the younger customer coming to my shop, right? So that could be a requirement. So where I may need to figure out the largest or highest date for the birth date to figure out the youngest customer, and I need to find out the highest value in the commute distance, which is a text. So let me write measure, new measure. So first thing is commute distance. It is a text, right? 0 to 1 miles. It's a text. So if whenever I need to work with text with respect to a single column, I need to go with max function. So let me name this as highest, largest distance. Long distance equals to max function. I'm using max function as I need to compare this text value. So max dim customer commute distance. Enter. So let me add a card. Okay. Let me add a card and add this long distance measure. See, 5 to 10 miles. People are traveling from 10 miles to come to our, oh, sorry, sales purchase. Okay. Now let me write another measure to find out the youngest customer. So youngest customer means the date should be highest, right? If it's the latest date, 2015, definitely he's the youngest one. So let me write youngest customer age equals, I need to check date, right? So I'm going with maxA function and I may need to get this value with single column. So that's why I'm using max A. Dim customer birth date. If I just filter out here, see 1986 is the latest date, so he's the youngest one. So that should be coming up here. Card youngest customer age. So I'm not calculating as an age. I may need to write the date div function to subtract the current year and this birthday year and get the age. My intention is to display the youngest customer date of birth. Okay. Youngest customer date of birth, BOD. Fine. So as it is a date with respect to a single column, I used max O. So now let us see another example to write MAXX function. In dim customer table, there are two columns, number of children at home, I'm just adding to the table, and total children. So I'm interested to figure out the difference between the total number of children and total number of children at home. The highest kids they have who are not at the not at the home. A difference between these two expressions and figure out the highest value. So how do I do that? Total number of children and total number of children at home. Okay, make sure there is a value. Yeah, the total number of children is 25. The total number of children at home is 27. Oh, this is the data. I just wrote it from the adventure works. So total children are 16 and total number of children at home is 21. Okay, I don't know in what scenario they mentioned the total children, and it looks like this values is always greater than this. Oh no, sometimes it is different. Okay, ignore these values because I just wrote it from the adventure works, but let us calculate this using the MAXX function. New measure max children at home. Okay, that's fine. Equals max x of dim customer. Sorry. Dim customer, comma, I can write my expression here. Dim customer number of children at home number of children at home minus dim customer total kids, total children. So let me add a new card. Okay, I gave this youngest customer date of birth, right? Yeah. Let me add another card to write max children at home. So 5. So based on your requirements, you need to select which function of max needs to be used. Hope this is useful. Thank you.